Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Waseem Khan. I start with the great name of Allah who is Rahman and Rahim. Today I would like to present about education. First we know that what is education. In my point of our people don't know the actual meaning of education. The meaning of education is knowledge. From anywhere you get knowledge. Education is not the thing which you get by easy way. You have to spend your life with education. You have to spend your life with education, and you go to different places and you feel confidence. Education does not mean get degrees or certificate. It means to get something in your life. In my point of view, there are two types of education. The first one is separate education, the second one is co-education. But I don't know about your point. In my point of co-education is better than separate education. Everyone think that how in separate education we don't confident level, we don't get confident level. In co-education we get confident level. In separate education we don't success in our life. In co-education we get success in our life and we face the public in everywhere in the big stage. In co-education you go the biggest stage and you get many success in our life. So first we should make ourselves by getting education. If you have education, then everyone will give you respect. If you have education, then you can earn money by education. If you have education, then everyone will make you relationship with you. So my point of view, we should get education. That's it. Thank you for listening.